Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this video is going to be an unboxing and what to expect video for the CrossBeats Elektra dual driver wireless headphones. Now we'll go ahead, unbox this, see what all do you get with this. I have been using it for quite some time. So I was not very sure whether this is going to be a good earphone because this one is for 8,000 rupees on Amazon right now, 7,999. So this is somewhere between not too cheap, not too expensive range. So a lot of people have been asking me regarding such earphones, so that's why I've got a few of them. So this is one of them. Okay, so let's take a look at the box itself first. So the box itself says that it's got dual drivers, true stereo sound, waterproof. Now that's something which is very good on this. It's got a IP67 rated waterproofness on this. It's got full control over your music, so you can do forward, you can increase volume, decrease volume, all of that can be done with this, which is generally not available on truly wireless earphones. Now this has something called sound pass mode, which is similar to all the other earphone, like if you've seen my Sony truly wireless ones, those videos, or the Jabra Elite 65T, all of them have a feature where it allows outside sound to come in. So this is talking about that. So that feature is also included. It has equalizer also, and then the design is something different. So let's go ahead, open this up. So this is how the packaging is. So we'll keep this aside. Now that's how the earphone is presented to you. So that's the charging case. So this is plastic at the bottom, this is plastic on the top, the middle part is metal. So we'll keep that aside. So these are the actual earbuds. So that's the size of them. Very small, but the design, the way it is designed, it's a little different. It's not going to stay like this in your ears, it's actually going to stay like that. So I'll be showing you that, so you will know how it actually looks like. So let's keep that aside. Let's see what else do you get in the box. So that's what you get in the box. So you get the charging case, the charging or storage case. You get the two earbuds. You get two extra set of ear tips, and then you have a manual and a thank you for purchasing CrossBeat card. This shows you the online warranty thing. So this has a 1 year warranty. So that's also good. So let's keep this aside. So that's the manual. So you have two languages in this. Okay, so let's take a look at the specification itself. Now this has Bluetooth 5.0 in it. It supports all your known Bluetooth format like HSP, A2DP, all of these are supported. The other thing is it supports voice assistant, so you can use Siri, Google Assistant, Bixby, whatever. It's got a 60 feet range, up to 60 feet range, so that's also nice. Now the frequency is between 2.4 gigahertz to 2.48 gigahertz. It's got a lithium ion battery. The charging voltage is 5 volts. So normal 5 volt 1 amp will do. It doesn't do fast charging. Your charging time for the headphone takes 1 hour to 1.5 hours for it to completely charge from 0 to 100. The charging time for the case takes 1.5 hours to 2 hours to completely charge. Now those are the other things. Weight, okay. So the weight is actually pretty light. It's 0.15 ounce. Okay, so that's it. On the charging case is 2.0 ounce. Okay, so let's talk about the earphone now. I've used it for some time. So let's start with the case itself. Now the case is solid, so you can actually drop it and nothing will happen to it. I have actually dropped it once. You see a little bit of scuff mark here. Now when you put it in the pocket, you use it roughly a little bit, you will see that there are a little bit of fine minute scratches that will come up. Okay, I think with the reflection you can see that. So a little bit of that over here also, but not much. Now let's open it up. Now this magnetic case is very good. It does not open up, like you have to really put force onto it for it to open up. It will not open up just like that. Now the charging ports are also very nice. You just put it there and then it starts charging. Now it's new, so I don't know how good or bad it's going to be. With time it might get a little loose, but then for that you have this case over here which will push it down, so you will not have that issue. So that's really good. Now secondly, they have dual drivers. The dual drivers are actually very clear. So this is one of those earphones which have dual drivers and still have a lot of bass. So now this if you're looking for something with a lot of bass and a lot of sound clarity, this is going to be the earphone, a truly wireless earphone for you. I have used it in traffic. I have the sound test is going on. I'll be putting that video soon because a lot of people have been asking regarding my sound test. So I'll be doing that very soon and showing you that. The sound quality, let's talk about the sound signature first. So everything is balanced, but the bass has a little more punch to it. So if you're listening to some music, every vocal, everything will be very crisp and clear with a lot of bass. So it's a very good sound signature. Now let's talk about the fit. Now this is a little different. It does not take the grip of your ear. It goes into your ear canal and then stays there like that. So for some people that's going to be a problem if they do not like in-ear earphone. So this is an in-ear earphone which actually blocks out a lot of the outside sound. The noise isolation is pretty good. I have been using it with the sound pass-through option. Now it has an option where it will use the mic to introduce outside sound and allow you to listen to music also. So that's actually pretty good on this. You get, I like that feature on my Elite 65T, on the Jabra Elite 65T. Now this one goes one step ahead because the sound is much more clearer on this. Now I've seen when I was using that feature, I touched both the mics and I was able to get response from both of them. So it is actually giving you true stereo sound around you while you're listening to music. So this is going to be one of those earphones for joggers, for people who want to be aware of their surrounding while they're doing whatever. This is going to be the earphone for you. So I can be in a conversation with anyone, I can be talking to someone, and I can be listening to the music at the same time. So this is going to help you with that. So it's very, very good in that matter. Now let's talk about the special feature. Now the special feature this has is this one is a truly wireless earphone which can be used on separate phones. So you can actually configure one earbud to maybe this phone and one earbud to this one. So you can use them individually on them like that. So they have no connection with each other. When you want them to come back together, there's a pairing method. With that, they will connect back together, left, right channel, and then it'll start working that way, which I do not have on any other earphone of mine. So any other truly wireless earbuds, I don't have this feature of using them separately as mono speakers, mono earphones on other phones. That feature is not there. That's the reason I really, really like this. Now this is one of my daily drivers. So that's one thing which I really liked. Now I'll not be talking about anything else. The charging time and everything we've already spoken about. I'll be doing the tests and then showing you how it actually performs, the sound quality and everything. The gym test. Now one more excellent thing about this is it's IP67 rated, so I can actually take it for shower. I can go in the steam room and stuff and I can do all those tests. So I'll be doing the water test of this and then showing you that also later on. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.